In this episode, I will show you step by step all the fighting secrets of Black Panther, so you can fight like him. Some of the techniques are very similar to what we have in Krav Maga, or they are maybe the same. Some of them are a little bit more of a superhero stuff. Hi, my name is Edmund. I'm an expert in the best military fighting system, Krav Maga. In Fit to Fight Back Krav Maga channel, we teach you how to fight like a special forces agent. We use comedy, your favorite celebrities, superheroes and politicians to make your puns with laughter. At the same time, teaching you serious fighting skills. If you haven't subscribed, do it now, so you don't miss out and die in the next confrontation with your supervillain. Very good Krav Maga strike, and fingers will end up in the eyes of the opponent. He was hitting, the guy stepped away, so the strike was missed in the end, but after that he followed very nicely with a spinning hammer attack. Actually, again, he used the claws, but he will be using a hammer. He missed because of the movement of the opponent here, and possibly other attacks after that. Very good strike, very powerful because of the rotational power and adding of the momentum. Jumping stomping kick, very useful and very strong, powerful attack. So I'm jumping up and then basically stomp kick. Generally it will be to the chest. The knee is brought really close to your chest, then dynamic push forward. Will spare Mark's face because there's a big possibility I will land with my knees on his face in that technique, which is very beneficial, but not when you're working with your friends. This is not exactly my friend, we don't know each other well, so we can use him. First of all, you're kind of shooting for the double leg takedown, which you are turning into a spin, your legs end up kind of, your right leg will be on this side, left one here, you're landing in a nice, interesting takedown position, so you'll be on the ground. Let's try it. Would I do it on the street? Questionable. Does it look cool? Yeah. Can it injure the person a lot? Yes, I believe so. But you can also get injured on the way in, because just like the double leg takedown, you could be kicked in the face, knee to the face, it could be a hammer or any type of strike if someone is switched on. But let's assume we can pull off the entry and then land well. So have a look how it looks like. I'm flying here, but I have to switch. So this arm is going on the left, this one on the right, legs on top, and then taking the person down. Mark is stepping away a little bit nicely because what's happening here, my legs are flying quite a lot. Here he might get hit in the face, which we don't want. Same technique, once the landing, let's say, is pretty stable and more or less safe, we'll try to pull it off without the big mat. So let's see how the landing goes. Just a little bit different landing because it has not as much protection and cushion. So let's go for it. When I would use them, in this case, in that technique, would be mainly against the stab. So I would be kicking the knife off the hand and possibly going to the side kick. I'll do it. Send more here. That's it. possible technique and a really cool one, which you can see in UFC fights, also is a flying knee. Very simple in a way. It involves dynamic movement forward, knee landing on the chest of the opponent. Good response. This is Krav Maga, basically what he did perfectly well. Apart from one adjustment there, I wouldn't knee to the several places. If you have to, you have to, but I would generally go kick to the groin instead. And as you can see here,
look, I really don't want to hurt you.
I wouldn't stress about it.
superheroes also have groin, and they react to it very well. Kick to the groin, knee if it's close enough, generally you'll be too far, and after that get rid of the hand, punch, maybe another punch, kick to the groin, and then stomping kick to the chest, create the distance. If you haven't subscribed, do it now so you don't miss out and die in the next confrontation with your supervillain